465 Finnish schoolchildren were given 10 online lessons in managing anxiety, plus phone calls from a coach who wasn't a therapist. 2 years later, they were still less anxious than the children who simply read about anxiety instead. That's the finding from a peer-reviewed Finnish trial of internet-delivered cognitive behavioral therapy, the same skills training you'd get in a clinic, packaged as online modules. The effects were modest, around a third of a standard deviation, which in this field counts as a small to moderate nudge rather than a transformation. But here's the odd part. The gap between the two groups didn't shrink after the program ended. It grew, wider at 12 months than at 6, and still there at 24, which is precisely the opposite of what everyone assumes about digital mental health, that it's a thin substitute whose benefits evaporate the moment the novelty does. The practical lesson is about timing. If you judge whether one of these programs worked the week the last module closes, you'll conclude it barely did. And you'll be wrong by about a year. Reading about anxiety isn't the medicine. The homework is.